Hello aspirants, welcome to the second episode of Journey to Admissions. Today, we are going to talk about the two special MBA programs at SIBM Pune. First, MBA Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and second, MBA Leadership and Strategy. Let's see what Milind from INE and Rihajit from LNS have to say about them.
I wanted something different out of my MBA, which would help me grow my own business. MBA Innovation and Entrepreneurship offered me an anything you can be chance, where I was not bound to be just another employee, but a creator, an innovator, and an entrepreneur. And I wanted something exactly like this. I was not limited by any specializations, but it gave me a playground to explore all aspects of the business. Here in INE, I can be anything I want to be, from generating a new business idea to bringing that business into traction, from meeting real business people to setting up new partnerships, from knowing a story of a business from scratch to success to registering your own first company. All of these practical experiences are pillared by theoretical subjects, which help you to get the best out of any exposure you get. And all in all, everything under the shadow of SIBM with an MBA degree at the end puts the cherry on the top. For those who have started upfront, there are mentoring sessions given by faculty members and various industry leaders. Furthermore, there are panel discussions and domain-specific workshops held every week. The college also provides us with an opportunity to meet people from all across the industry who can prove to be our mentors, partners, and even potential investors. Here in INE, there is a specific incubation cell which functions only for the INE students called the SCEI, which helps us with all our startup and family business needs, from guidance to seed funding and even in some cases partnerships. In INE, everything we study and every project or assignment we do is aimed towards growing our startup or family businesses even further. Support is actually given no matter at what stage your startup or your family businesses is.
Anyone who has worked in the corporate world would know how competitive and demanding it is. And if you want to survive, you need to upskill and reskill yourselves regularly to stay relevant in the industry. Well, that's what has been my motto always. Earlier, I was focused to upskill my technical side, and now I felt the need to know how businesses function so that I can lead my team with a better understanding. Having worked in the corporate world, MBA now will certainly play a key role in structuring my decisions and supporting me as a leader. See, today's business world doesn't have that conventional setup anymore. Every role is evolving and the lines between domains are getting blurred. It's no more only about sales and marketing, or finance, or human resource, or operations. You ought to understand each domain well to be able to execute strategies, plans, and identify and capitalize on new business opportunities. When I read the curriculum for SIBM's Leadership and Strategy MBA program, I was happy to see the way it has been designed to help managers lead organizations, keeping in mind the change in rapidly evolving global marketplace. Leadership and Strategy MBA program follows a case-based anti-gothic, and that's the USP. We are given Harvard Business Review cases which help us understand various business failures and successes. These business cases provoke robust student-led discussions with faculties, disentangling complex business concepts. The program also gives us an opportunity to take up broader roles in an organization across all industries. It also gives us ability to quickly understand the market and devise a strategy that capitalizes on current trends, which I believe is extremely valuable.